This is the question answering part of our Q&A system. The main tool that I use is spaCy. Name entity recognition and dependency parser are very useful when constructing the answer. Also, I use WordNet and NeuroCoRef as additional tools. Step 1. First question from the question list. I use spaCy language model to recognize name entities, including person, location, time. Next, parse the whole text file sentence by sentence, match possible candidates, and save them into a possible entity list. Only candidates that contains all the entities in the question will be matched. For example, for this question, our system is able to narrow down the possible candidate into just 4 sentences. What if no candidates are found? This could happen when the question replaces some entities with their synonyms. For example, in this question, if the US is replaced by America, our system will not able to find any possible candidates. This can be solved by WordNet from NLTK and try the first 3 closest synonyms from its synnets. Step 2. Our system locate and match the root from the question and the root from the sentence to the answer. If the 2 roots do not match, go to the next possible candidate. If the roots match, look for the answer by matching dependency children of the roots. Next, I will further explain how to find the answer based on the type of the question. For binary question, our system look for the negative modifiers. If we find one, the system returns no, and if we did not find one, the system replies yes. For who question, our system looks for nominal subjects in the dependency children of the roots. However, we might get into a problem. For example, in this question, who scored the game-winning goal in the Eastern Conference Final? Based on the previous slide, our system will return he, which is not a desirable answer. The solution is NeuroCoRef, which is able to find the coreference cluster in document level. In this case, our system will continue looking for a proper noun of the pronoun. Our system will return Dempsey. For what question, our system looks for direct object in the dependency children of the roots. For when and where question, because prepositional phrase could be anywhere in the sentence, our system returns the entity in the sentence, and this suffices our text well enough. For why question, our system does something different, because the root to the question is different from the root to the sentence of the answer. So our system will first locate the root of the question and then look for the answer. If the candidate sentence contains phrases like because, since, simply return whatever come afterwards. If the candidate sentence contains phrases like thus, therefore, and so, our system will look for its dependency parents. Usually this will be the real root of the sentence, and construct the answer from the dependency children of the root.